Hi friends! Welcome back to English Smart Practice. Today we will learn English with fun and short conversations from everyday life.
At the end, we will explain the most important words and phrases. Listen carefully.
At the clothing store.
Good afternoon. Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a dress.
Sure. What kind of dress are you looking for?
Something casual, maybe for summer.
We have some new cotton dresses over here. How about this one?
Oh, that's nice. Do you have it in a different color?
Yes, it also comes in blue and green.
I like the blue one. What sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear medium. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there. How does it fit?
It's a bit tight. Do you have it in a larger size?
Let me check. Yes, here's a large one.
Great, thank you.
How about now?
Perfect. I'll take it.
Wonderful! Would you like to look at some matching shoes? They're on sale today.
Maybe next time. Just the dress for now, please.
No problem. That'll be $45.
Here you go. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
The messy kitchen.
Jack, look at this kitchen. It's a total disaster.
Oh, come on. It's not that bad. I'll clean it later.
Later? You said that yesterday. There are dirty plates everywhere and the sink is full.
I was going to do it, but I had work. I was really tired last night.
We both work, Jack. You can't just leave a mess every time you cook.
Okay. Relax. I'll do it after lunch.
No, you have to do it now. The kitchen must be clean. I want to cook.
All right, fine. But you could help me, you know?
I always help. You should wash the dishes more often. We need to share the chores fairly.
Maybe we should make a cleaning schedule or something.
That's actually a good idea. You do Monday and Wednesday. I'll do Tuesday and Thursday.
What about the weekend?
We can both clean on Saturday. Deal?
Deal. But right now, can we just order pizza instead of cooking?
Fine, but you're washing the dishes afterward.
Yes, I have to, I know.
At the sandwich bar.
Hi there. Welcome to Green Bite. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like to make my own sandwich, please.
Sure. What kind of bread would you like? White, whole grain, or rye?
Whole grain, please.
Great. Would you like any cheese?
Yes, a little cheddar, please.
Got it. What vegetables would you like?
Some lettuce, a few tomato slices, and some cucumber, please.
Would you like any meat? Chicken, ham, or turkey?
Some chicken, please.
Any dressing?
Yes, a little mayonnaise, not too much, please.
No problem. Anything else for you today?
Yes, can I have a small salad on the side?
Sure. What would you like in your salad?
Some lettuce, a few olives, a little corn, and some cheese, please.
Perfect. Would you like a drink?
Just some water, thanks.
All right. That'll be $9.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
At the doctor's office.
Good morning. How are you today?
Not so good, doctor. I haven't been feeling well since last weekend.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I've had a bad headache and a sore throat for a few days. I also feel really tired.
I see. Have you had a fever?
Yes, a little. I think I've caught a cold.
It sounds like it. Have you been taking any medicine?
Just some painkillers, but they haven't helped much.
All right. Let me check your temperature and throat. You have a mild fever, and your throat looks a bit red.
Oh, that explains why it hurts when I swallow.
Yes, you should rest and drink plenty of water. Also, avoid cold drinks for a few days.
Okay, doctor. Should I take any medicine?
I'll give you something for the fever and sore throat. Take it twice a day after meals.
Thank you. When should I come back?
If you don't feel better in 3 days, come back for another checkup.
All right, I'll do that. Thanks for your help, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Words and phrases.
Casual, in clothing, means comfortable, everyday clothes that are not formal. Example, I wore a casual t-shirt and jeans to the picnic. Try on, to put on clothes to see if they fit or look good before buying them. Example, she went to the store to try on a new dress before buying it. Tight, something that fits closely or is hard to move or open. This shirt is too tight. I need a bigger size. On sale means being sold at a lower price than usual. Example, these shoes are on sale. They're 50% cheaper today. Disaster, a very bad event that causes a lot of problems or damage. Example, the heavy rain was a disaster for the outdoor party. Mess, a place or thing that is dirty, untidy, or not organized. Example, my room is a mess. Clothes and books are everywhere. Chores, small tasks or jobs you do at home, like cleaning or washing dishes. Example, I have to do my chores before I can watch TV. Whole grain, food made from the entire grain, which is healthy and full of nutrients. Example, I like to eat whole grain bread for breakfast. Lettuce, a green, leafy vegetable, often used in salads and sandwiches. Example, I put lettuce in my sandwich to make it fresh and crunchy. Dressing, a sauce you put on salad to give it more flavor. Example, I like to add Italian dressing to my salad. Sore throat, when your throat hurts, often making it hard or uncomfortable to swallow. Example, I have a sore throat, so I'm drinking warm tea. Fever, when your body is hotter than normal because you are sick. Example, I have a fever, so I need to rest and drink lots of water. Painkillers, medicine that helps stop pain or reduce it. Example, he took painkillers for his back pain. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.